Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating dust and oils because they cause bubbles and specks. This matters more than speed. First, wash and dry your hands, then power off the device and remove any case. Lay the phone flat under bright light and use the microfiber cloth to wipe the screen, then use a dust sticker to pick off remaining particles. Once done, test fit the protector over the screen to confirm orientation and button cutouts align before any adhesive contact. You now handle the adhesive carefully to avoid trapping dust. Peel back only half of the liner so the exposed edge can be aligned precisely. Use an alignment frame or create tape hinges across the top edge so the protector drops straight down. This reduces lateral movement and misalignment. Lower the exposed edge until it meets the screen, make sure the cutouts match, then press gently in the center and sweep outward with a plastic card to bond the layers smoothly. You finish by eliminating any remaining bubbles and securing the bond. Start from the center and push outward with the card, applying steady pressure until air is gone. Small micro bubbles often disappear within 24 hours as the adhesive settles. If you spot trapped dust, lift the nearest edge only a few millimeters, use a dust sticker to pick the particle, and reseal. Do not peel the protector completely, because repeated repeeling weakens adhesion. One key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.